yourself one.
The animals on that other side. What are you talking about?
Well, this side's horrible.
Which side? This one to the right?
Yeah. You don't want to go in there, huh?
I got on Crocs. If I had on my boots, I wouldn't care. Nick, man.
Check the other side. Come on.
This is enough for me. I don't have on my boots today.
Come on, bring it, son. What? Why would it be animals on this side?
Because there's no big door closed.
Oh yeah, you're right. But it looks better.
Go ahead, bro. I got your back.
I'm sure you do.
You see what am I gonna do?
I said I'm sure you do.
Oh yeah.
I'll just be worried about these floors. You know what I'm saying? Be right.
Yeah, they can be weak. This is pretty much just a frame.
Yeah, I ain't going up them steps. I don't even want to walk
I
up
don't
there.
recommend it. Maybe go to the end and point the camera that way because
No,
I can't catch you.
I don't trust the flow. That's my issue.
You get to the other side.
Just don't trust. It's already coming apart, and it's soft.
Excuse me?
You got my face. Move. So this is nothing.
So, look at that there.
Yeah, I wouldn't be buying that.
Yeah, this will take they got a little trap door up here. We sliding up in through here. All right.
Wait. Why would I let you go on me and this goons outside?
What? Ain't nobody looking for you.
I didn't
And make
say
sure
there
you
was anybody looking for me. I said,
make sure you lock the other side too.
I'm about to go through the other side.
You gonna go through there?
Yeah. Go through this side.
You want me to walk behind you and make you don't try to stay home if you can't now.
Try what?
Dad.
Just went over. So funny.
I don't suspect what you want to go through this for. I suspect it's pretty much.
No, this floor is more solid. It just stank.
It do stink.
Oh, maybe it ain't that solid.
But you know what?
I know a lot. What you want to know?
Side by side with both having an upstairs is rare.
Man, it's a nice location. It's just a.
Ain't it? Look. Both sides have an upstairs.
Yeah.
That's dope. It's nasty in here, but it's dope.
Yep, it's nasty, but it's dope.
The potential, you gotta see past the turmoil.
I do see past. That's why I'm over here. That's why I drive 30 minutes to look at it.
Usually these side by sides or flats, one is the upstairs and one is the downstairs, but the way they divided this one, they both have a upstairs.
So why you lock me in?
I didn't lock you
You
in.
did try to lock me in.
How I try to lock you in?
Close the door on me.
I didn't close on you. Anyway, so this is a separate entity right here.
No, that's part of the house.
What kind?
Oh, shoot. Huh?
Okay.
Did I lock that door over there?
Space.
I
Huh?
think I did. Did I lock that door?
I believe you did.
This is
No, this says welcome adopter bed. For more information, please contact Metropolitan UNC.
But look, where the rest of the? Why I can't get to that part of the house?
The back, you can. You gotta go through the front.
No, I'm saying where we were at, it stopped. Well, I don't know. This is a decent area. Well, maybe it ain't that decent. I thought it was decent because of the church.
Well, okay. It probably is now, but this house probably started falling apart long ago. I just love the fact that they're side by side and they both have upstairs. I love that.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Let's look around.
Oh, be safe.
What that mean? You gonna run?
No, I got your back.
It's sitting for a reason. There's a lot of work. It don't look like it.
That's a big house.
That's what I'm saying. The part we in is not the rest of the house. Like
that's
all
the
that
upstairs, probably.
I'm talking about, look at all that to the back.
It was a door right there, but we couldn't get to it.
No, but in this side, it was a brick wall right there, and it stopped halfway through. But
Well, let's drive around the block and see what happens.
See what happens. Do I got anything on my hat? Like spider webs? I do? This nigga. What the hell was I supposed to do?